So today we are going to discuss about composting. Composting is basically the controlled biological decomposition of organic material. Compost basically is an organic matter that has been decomposed and recycled as a fertilizer and soil amendment. In nature, you can say that nothing is considered as waste, everything is food for something else. This is basically the nutrient profile of of a compost in which organic matter range for up to 70%, pH could be 7.5, organic carbon 33%, nitrogen 1.8%, etc. So, what are the benefits of compost? Basically, compost improves the quality of soil, and for this reason, it is considered as soil conditioner. It contains a variety of basic nutrients which is required for healthy growth of the plants, and in addition it also contains nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium and certain micronutrients such as manganese, copper, iron and zinc, which is also found in compost, which help them to control the disease and insects. Compost basically improves the structure and texture of the soil, which enables them to retain the nutrients, moisture, and air for the betterment of growth of the plant. So, there are different parameters in composting. First of all, is the carbon nitrogen ratio that should be 30 is to 1%. Ideal moisture for the composting is 50 to 60%. pH is 6 to 8, and temperature could be 55 to 75 degrees centigrade. If we talk about the mechanism of composting, the composting is basically the biochemical process in which aerobic and anaerobic bacteria are involved, and they convert the organic matter into valuable manure, which is then termed as the compost. First of all, organic matter is composed, or there are some kind of mesophilic bacteria which help to convert or decompose the organic matter into compost. There are three basic phases of composting. In first phase, mesophilic bacteria are required, and second phase, thermophilic bacteria are required, and then in third phase, there is maturation phase in which compost is ready to be used. If we talk about the phases of composting, initially decomposition is carried out by mesophilic bacteria, which rapidly break down the soluble, readily degradable compounds. As the temperature rises, the mesophilic bacteria are replaced by thermophilic bacteria, and then they degrade. Human and plant pathogens are destroyed during the thermophilic phases. High temperature accelerates the breakdown of proteins, fats, and complex carbohydrates like cellulose and hemicellulose. Temperature then decreases gradually, and mesophilic bacteria again take over the final phase of curing and maturation of the remaining organic matter. The different organisms which are involved in composting are bacteria,